Good morning from Gokarna. Today is day 2 at our resort here in Red Earth. It's slightly drizzling here in Gokarna. Today we will try to explore some places around. Hopefully it should not rain here. We'll keep you all posted. So right now it's raining here and we are hoping that it will stop for some time and we'll get some time to explore around. Time is around 9:30 and now the time is for our breakfast.
And my day 2 started with some delicious breakfast at the cafe.
Right now we are planning to head towards Om Beach. We plan to have our lunch also there. There is a cafe called Namaste Cafe, so we are planning to have our lunch there. Then we are planning to go for Mirzan Fort. Om Beach is about 17 kilometers from our resort, so hopefully we should be there in the next half an hour to 45 minutes. Once we reach there, we'll keep you posted.
Sounds like a great plan. So let's go. What are we waiting for?
The nearest fuel station to the resort is Ankola, which is about 7 kilometers from the resort. Well, it was a scenic drive to the Om Beach. Om Beach, as the name itself tells its story. Yes, its shape resembles the Sanskrit word Om when seen from the above. Namaste Cafe is located in the Om Beach, which offers some finger-licking delicious food. Also offers an amazing view of the Arabian Sea. If you are in Gokarna, this place is a must visit.
I was wondering if I was allowed in the cafe or not. But guess what? I was allowed. But we had to leave the cafe early. It was overcrowded.
Left from Namaste Cafe and Om Beach. We wanted to go to Kudle Beach. It was overcrowded. So now we are heading towards the Mirzan Fort, which is about 30 kilometers.
That's when the colors started to change.
What a place is this! Truly magical. Greenery throughout. And who doesn't like the nature?
Yes, the flowing Agnahashini river, swaying coconut trees, lush paddy fields, greenish groves, and the western ghats in the background adds to the beauty of the fort.
And it was somewhere then.
Covered by the carpet of green moss, Mirzan Fort was looking breathtakingly beautiful when we visited it in the afternoon of a monsoon day.
And it was somewhere then.
So we visited Mirzan Fort and spent some good time here, and now it's time to go back to our resort. The time is around 4:28. I think we should reach in another 30 minutes to our resort.
Don't look at me.
From the time we have arrived here, the weather has been very gloomy. It's pretty much raining during the day, and also in the night it keeps raining. So we've not been able to explore much, but we are trying whatever possible we can explore with this rains. We are trying to do.